Well, good morning, East Texas, and happy Super Tuesday to you. Hopefully you get the chance to go out there and vote if you haven't yet. As far as our forecast for today, really quick, here's what you can expect. Some morning showers and thunderstorms. The good news is most of that is going to be non-severe. We're not looking at severe weather no longer forecasted for our area. And as we head towards the lunch hour, we'll start seeing the rain push out into Louisiana. And by this afternoon, sunshine returns across East Texas. Today's high, 72 degrees, but with the pressure gradient being relatively tight out there as we head throughout the day, we do have a lake wind advisory in effect until 4 o'clock p.m. today. And again, it's only for a few counties out here, not all of us. And again, winds can be expected to gust up to 25 miles per hour throughout the day. As far as what's currently going on out here, here's the cold front that we've been forecasting here. Bulk of the heavier rain and precipitation out towards Arkansas, extended out towards eastern parts of Oklahoma. No severe warnings with it yet, but as you can see, it's bowing out just a little bit. Therefore, you can expect some gusty wind conditions making its way through Little Rock right now. The good news is, though, we do have a cap in place, and it's relatively strong, and with it, it's subsiding any activity across East Texas right now. We should be seeing some showers, and we're still expecting about a 30% probability as the morning progresses, though. But that'll all be done and over with as we head towards the lunch hour out here, and we're looking at a pretty dry forecast this afternoon. As far as the severe weather threat that we talked about yesterday, the good news is bulk of that has pushed off well to the east. We're looking at just general showers and thunderstorms. We still have a little marginal chance across our northeastern counties out here. That does include Mount Pleasant into Texarkana, but again, that's only about a 2 to 5% probability, and they're right on the edge of that cap. So again, we're not really expecting any severe weather outbreaks across East Texas this morning, which is always the fortunate part. The unfortunate part, though, it is expected the further east you go, and they don't need that because they had that not so long ago, a few weeks ago out there with the tornado outbreak. Temperatures out there, definitely on the mild side, upper 50s, low to mid 60s. Check out the temperatures out towards Tyler and Sulphur Springs, 63 and 64 degrees right now. And again, we should be topping off right around 63 to 64 for our highs. So again, we're well above average. We're going to end up that way this afternoon. Here's what the in-house model has for us today. The cloud cover continues to increase throughout the morning time period. As we make our way towards the 8 o'clock time frame, we'll see that tail end of that front make its way across our northern counties. That's when we'll start seeing some showers begin to develop. Again, we're not seeing a whole lot of height with these showers and thunderstorms, so they're not very heavy at times and not going to be sticking around for too long. They're going to quickly move off to the east and southeast. And with it, by lunchtime, we'll see some clearing behind that and out towards Sulphur Springs. And the rest of us will be seeing, again, that 30% probability of some showers. As we head towards the afternoon hours, that rapidly moves off to our south and southeast. And we're looking pretty good and clear for the 5 o'clock hour. A dry commute home as you head home from work at 5 o'clock or so. And we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 60s out here by 5 o'clock. As far as the overnight time period, clear skies stick around. And with the clear skies and the northerly winds, we'll have a cooler start to our day tomorrow morning. Temperatures starting off in the mid 40s for most of us out here, still slightly above average out there. But as far as our forecast for Wednesday, we're looking at the winds shifting to the south once again. Our highs for tomorrow with the dry conditions are looking at 70 degrees out there. 73 on Thursday. We're going to have a little shift in the winds Thursday night into Friday, bringing us some slightly cooler temperatures once again. 45 for Friday morning, 71 for your high on Friday. The first half of the weekend looks pretty good. Sunny Saturday out there, 74. And we do have a 20% chance of some isolated showers on Sunday. We'll hold on to that 20% chance as well for Monday with temperatures remaining well above average. We'll have that forecast always available for you, CBS19.tv, also on our Facebook page and Twitter accounts. And don't forget to get out there and vote. Over to you, Damon.
Welcome back, 5:32 now. Looks like maybe most of the rain's going to miss us this morning.
Yeah, most of it is, the bulk of it is out towards Arkansas, eastern parts of Oklahoma. We're still waiting for the tail end to come through East Texas, but the good news is we have a good, pretty strong cap in place, and all that means is just downward moving air, which is not allowing any of that moisture to continue to climb and create any showers across East Texas. As far as what the radar is showing us right now, again, you can see the cluster of showers and thunderstorms out towards Little Rock, making its way back towards Hope, Arkansas, and we're going to continue to see the showers and thunderstorms out in that direction. We're not completely out of the clear yet, but the good news is we're not expecting any of it to be severe for us, as that threat has shifted to the east and northeast as well. Temperatures out there definitely on the mild side. You do not need that jacket out there unless you're Danish. You might need a little light coat out there. Temperatures mid to upper 50s and even low to mid 60s, well above average for today. And our lake forecast, we do have lake wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. today. We're going to have those morning showers sticking around. The winds will be about 15, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. And the water temperature, 50 to 55 degrees. And area lakes are a little bit stained out there. And I hear that the slabs and jigs are what's biting across East Texas. As far as your lake wind advisory, these are the counties that are currently in effect for that lake wind advisory again until 6 o'clock p.m. with winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour. And your Super Tuesday forecast, those morning showers and thunderstorms, most of that rain will clear out by lunchtime out there, and then the clouds roll out. We see the sunshine returning for the afternoon. Today's high 72 degrees. We're looking pretty good for the remainder of the work week, but we'll have that 7-day forecast coming up to show you what to expect for the upcoming weekend here in just a few moments. It looks pretty good. Not too bad.
Thank you, Alberto.
Thanks, Alberto.
Welcome back. Time now is 5:44. We're taking a quick look out of our Longview Weather Authority tower cam out here. 60 degrees, not much of a wind chill factor out there, and it is muggy, 81% humidity. We still have that low-level moisture in place, which might be adding to the showers and thunderstorms we're expecting throughout the morning time period. The good news is not as widespread and not as severe as we expected about 24 to 48 hours ago. Again, we're holding on to about a 30 to maybe 40% chance, especially along our northern counties out there. Temperatures by lunchtime, 69 degrees. The showers begin to move out, and as we head towards the afternoon, the sunshine returns, and we will have a breezy conditions with winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Today's high, above average for sure, 72 degrees out there, and we're looking at 70s across the rest of the 7-day forecast here. As far as our rain chances right now, here's what the radar is showing us. Just along that cold front, we're seeing the bulk of the heavier precipitation across central parts of Arkansas extended back into eastern parts of Oklahoma. As you can see, we're looking pretty good across our northern counties right now, but the tail end still hasn't come through yet, but we're expecting, again, as it does throughout the morning hours, to continue to see the showers increasing out there along I-30, and we're going to continue seeing that pushing off to the east and southeast and through the remainder of East Texas out here. Temperatures definitely in the mild side this morning. Looking at upper 50s and low to mid 60s across the entire area, and 64 degrees is our average high out here. So again, we're starting off above average. We're going to be ending up above average. And it has been the trend the last several weeks out here, and it's going to continue being the trend for this week as well. The cloud cover continues to increase as we speak right now, but as we head towards 8 o'clock, that's when we'll start seeing that tail end of that cold front make its way into our area. We'll start seeing some scattered showers along with that. Some maybe moderate rainfall at times. No flash flooding concerns, and as we speak, we're looking at the severe threat well off to our east. That line of showers and thunderstorms will continue pushing off to the east and southeast out here, and by the mid-afternoon hours, we're looking pretty good and clear out there. 5 o'clock, the dry commute home to work from work out there or to the voting polls as far as what you can expect. Temperature-wise, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 60s out here in the overnight time period with the northerly winds and with the clear skies. We're going to see temperatures tomorrow a little bit cooler out there, looking at low to mid 40s to start off our Wednesday out here. And as far as our lake wind advisory in effect, again, not all of us, but some of us, does include Smith County and Tyler and Upshur County as well. We expect winds with a tighter pressure gradient anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour as well. And that lake wind advisory is in effect until 6 o'clock. As far as the remainder of your 7-day forecast, we're looking dry for Wednesday all the way through Friday. Temperatures remain in the low to mid 70s out there as we head towards Saturday. We're looking at temperatures still sunny and mild, 74 degrees. Should be a relatively nice Saturday out there with a light southerly wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our next shot of rain won't return until Sunday and Monday, but again, nothing too promising right now. It looks like our better chances won't be until Tuesday and Wednesday, and it looks like it might be an actual heavy rain event as we head towards midweek next week. We'll have that forecast on CBS19.tv for you to share with your friends and family.
I think spring has already sprung. I know it's not officially sprung, but it feels like it.
Yeah, I was driving around yesterday and saw some flowers beginning to bud on some of the trees across the area, and it's here.
It's here. All right. Thank you, Alberto.
Thanks, Alberto.